Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share with you my AMG S63. I'm going to put spoiler. After the installation, this is how the spoiler going to look. It's going to bring the outlook of my Mercedes, and it's very easy and simple to do it. This one has a double-sided tape, and I'm going to remove the tapes and I'm going to stick it on. Only one thing we need to do prior to installing, we need to wash it really good, and once we wash it, make sure that you buff it, clean it really well so there is no residue. Tape going to stick better. So we're going to remove the tape. So once the tape is removed, we're going to align it and then place it, and firmly we're going to press it. So this is how it's going to look, and that's it. That's how it's easy and simple to do it. And make sure you press it. Make sure not to wash it for at least 24 hours. So this one looks beautiful, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.